Hi, I'm Ben Blankenhorn, Vice President Operations here at Integra. Here at Integra, protecting your products and saving you time and money is what we're all about. So I'm here to introduce our brand new automated insertion machine for the Integra Boost two-way humidity control pack, produced by ABOX Automation. This machine is the same unit that we supply to the world's largest food producers and pharmaceutical companies. The only thing we've done is outfit it to fit the Integra Boost pack specifically and insert it into your packages of cannabis or tobacco. So if you're running at a high volume at your facility, this machine is the optimal solution to save you time, save you money, and help make your packaging process more efficient. This machine can be integrated into just about any automated packaging line that you may already have. It can communicate with other machinery in the facility, can run at about 150 pieces a minute. With a few modifications, can be outfitted to run at 250 pieces per minute. So you're eliminating the person on the line, you're eliminating the human error, and you're saving money by purchasing or making an investment in a machine that will last you several years to come. The machine itself takes up about 24 inches of line space, so it's not very much. It can fit into just about any packaging line that already exists. It can be outfitted with a gating system, stop the bottles in time so we can drop the product in there. Typical turnaround and lead time on a machine like this is about 4 weeks. The ROI on a machine like this is typically 6 months to a year. There are finance options available, so we can provide this machine to you with no cost out of your pocket. Once the ABOX inserter is fully installed in your facility, operation is simple. Feed the strip through here into the wheels, they'll catch it. The machine reads the eye marks on the boost packs. It'll stop it where it needs to go. You push start, and this thing will fire these things on. Simple as that. This is a seamless process to a perfect product. Automated solutions save you time.